How to edit a post on Reddit. For this, go ahead and launch your Reddit application on your mobile device. You can also do this step using a web browser. Make sure you are logged into your Reddit account. Once you are in here, tap on your profile icon at the very top. From there, tap on My Profile. Now tap on the post that you want to edit. Tap on the three dots. From here, tap on the edit option. Now you can go ahead and easily edit the post of your preference. For an example, I'll be just adding a hashtag right here. Then tap on Save once you are done. As you can see, your post has been edited. If this feature is not available for you, exit from your Reddit application, press and hold your Reddit, then tap on App Info. Force stop it, then tap on Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. Then you can open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Reddit right here in the search bar. Tap on it, and if there is an update bubble, leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. Also make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support such features of the application. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.